Alright guys, this is the final image that I'll be making, and you can see the tutorial below on how this is done. But first thing I'm going to do is just start a new project and add an image. Any image will work. Tend to choose ones that are great in the first place and interesting in the first place, and they'll be pretty good. I've chosen this image because it's nice sunset, it's got lots of colors, it's got lights and darks in it. And now I'm immediately adding in a second image. So there's my second one, and you can see the two layers on the right. It's very similar to Photoshop in that way. I've clicked the blend button, and it's brought up all these different blend modes. I'm going through all of them just to see what they look like, see if there's good characteristics that I like about them. And once I've gone through all of them, I can really make my selection on which one I use. In this case, I really like to overlay, and that's what I'm going to use. I hit the check mark and we have this. Now I can actually live edit this. I can scale it up just using two fingers on the screen. I can blow up the image a little bit bigger and play with its placement. Now I'm noticing that there's two birds in the one image and there's two birds in the other, and some of them are silhouettes, the black ones, and then you can see the white birds up in front. I want those two to have like a bit of a conversation with each other. That might be really interesting between the two pictures. I also get the ability here to rearrange them for a different look. So I can take that bottom picture and I can switch it into the top mode and then switch to blend, and I can play with all these different looks and see if there's something that's going to work out here better than what worked out before. So I'm working through all the blending modes here, and just like you saw before, you can change the opacity of them if you see something but it's too much. Honestly, I like the previous view for better, so I'm just going to switch it back, and I have my finished image. Now, to finish it off, I hit the share button up in the upper right. I'll choose my camera roll or my gallery, and it'll save it. That file is now done, and it's ready for turning in.